Hello friends and welcome to all of you. Myself Dr. Vijay Prakash from Saubhagya Ayurveda and this is a Warangal camp. And I have a patient. Your name is?
Vaishnavi, sir.
Vaishnavi. From where?
From Kolkata.
From Kolkata. So this is your first sitting, eh?
Yes.
So when you are get the information that you are having AVN, कब पता चला आपको AVN?
2 years ago, sir.
2 years ago. So when you know about the AVN, then उसके बाद आपने क्या किया?
One of the doctor, he suggested bed rest for 1 month,
Okay.
but it didn't help me, sir. And other doctors, I went to Bombay, Kolkata, and Hyderabad, Tirupati. I went to different places, but they were suggesting surgery, sir. But I was not ready for surgery, and I was looking for a natural recovery or Ayurvedic process. And through YouTube, I got to know about this.
Okay. So have you started doing exercises initially?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
किया घर पे?
Yes. Approximately from 1 month or 15 days, I'm following,
exercises.
doing, sir.
So after doing the exercise, how are you feeling?
Better, much better, sir.
Much
After the exercise and therapy, there is lot of improvement. I can analyze myself.
Okay.
Relief is there, sir.
Okay. And what about the results after taking the therapy sessions?
It was very nice. They were very patient, spending lot of time with each candidate, holding, doing stretching and pulling and cupping. So many different methods they were using, and they were doing very nicely.
Yeah. And lots of sessions भी हुए अपना knowledge information वाला. What is the AVN therapy session, exercise session, discussion and वो सब अच्छा लगा?
Yes, sir. I didn't know before about the diet and all.
Yeah.
But now I got to know that diet is also important. What are the restrictions? I didn't know. Only thing I used to do is that taking care while climbing stairs. I used to be cautious, but now I got to know that we need to be cautious in other things also.
Other things also. Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope lots of patients can understand what is the AVN and how we can fight against the AVN. And if you are interested and if you want to take the treatment, just contact me in my WhatsApp number and like my channel, subscribe my channel and share my channel.